I got my sari converted to a ready to wear sari from WiMO, and it has been an absolutely great experience. So I also got the pallu pleated, and I like it broad, and they've done exactly the way I want. Let me show you how easy it is to wear this. So now this is the pleated part, the stitched part. So just wrap around the sari now and tie the inner layers with the string provided. Tie it as tight as you want on the waist. Now bring over the pleated layer, and there are five hooks in the waist, so which makes it so comfortable. Hook it at the comfortable point. Bring over the pleated pallu and drape it over your shoulder the way you like it, and just pin it up, and that's it. All set. I couldn't have worn a pattu sari so easily without this Vimo ready to wear.